Welcome. Today I'm with AirPods Max and I'll show you how you can connect them to your iPhone. So the first, you have to move to your iPhone, open the settings, go for Bluetooth, and then turn on Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher. Next, you have to grab your AirPods Max and you have to focus on the right headphone. Right here you'll find this button. You have to click and hold it until this indicator at the bottom starts blinking on the white color. So let's make it right now. Click and hold this button and take a look on the indicator at the bottom. Right now, when it's blinking, we can release that button, and right now AirPods will appear on the available devices list. As you can see, now there's the signature notification window where we can click connect. As you can see, after a few seconds, we are successfully connected, and this place you will also find the quick description, the quick tutorial how you can use this digital crown, how you can use this button, how to switch between noise cancelling and the ambient sound. So we can skip, you can turn on Siri, for example, whatever you want, but basically, as you can see, we are successfully connected. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.